Hi guys, 4 abs exercise for beginners, easy and simple. Do regular for few days and see the results. And I have already made a playlist of 6-pack abs. Go to my channel and see. But first watch this video. First exercise is plank bicep steps. Firstly take plank position on floor and then tight your stomach, then tap on your bicep with one hand and then return to plank position. Then tap with another hand to bicep. Second exercise is seated side crunches right. In this exercise, sit on floor and slightly bend your knees upward and go back slightly and then tight your stomach, then put your one hand on backside of head and then move your elbow to knee direction and touch both together. Then go back and do again. Third exercise is seated side crunches left. In this exercise you have to follow the same things which I told you in the previous exercise. Fourth exercise is heel touches. Lie down on the floor and bend your knees equal to your pelvis level and then tight your stomach, then move your head and neck slightly upward, then keep it there. Then one by one touch your foot with your hands. First go one side then other side. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.